I just met Tim Leatherman, the Leatherman, and he's going to show us something really cool. I don't know what it is, but he calls it a nail break. So I imagine he's going to break a nail somehow, doing some kind of voodoo magic. So let's check it out.
A nail breaking demonstration. The demonstration is to show that a Leatherman tool is precise and strong. It's precise enough. The wire cutters cut paper, scissors, and it's strong enough to cut this nail.
How many millimeters is that nail?
16 penny duplex used for concrete form. The way I cut the nail is to put the nail in the tool. I'm not strong enough to do it myself, so I put the tool in the fixture, and I put the fixture on the floor. I then stand on the handle, say a little prayer, and and if I'm lucky, the nail is in 2 pieces. The tool's still in 1 piece, and afterwards, still cuts paper.
That's sweet.
I guarantee the tool for 25 years. I've been risking my own tool. I've done this maybe 300 times, and the tool's still fine.
Did you make this custom for that test? Or?
Yeah, the people in the shop made that for me.
That's cool.